This is a very popular accessory for the router table. You get a tungsten-tipped cutter with both a 1/4" and 1/2" shank to suit all routers. The biscuit joiner is a real pleasure to use. Drop it into the router table, connect the dust hose, and use the adjustable guide to position your pieces in the way you want them joined. Then simply slot them in 2 quick actions. The 2 slots will always line up perfectly without any measuring, marking or confusion. And to make it even easier, you can adjust the joint before the glue sets, because the biscuits are slightly shorter than the slots. Okay, that's fine for right angle joints, but what about miters? In only a few seconds, the guide can be reversed and you have 2 faces at 45 degrees to locate your mitered pieces. If you're working with thick wood, or if the joint has to take a lot of load, swap the pieces over and do it again so you can fit 2 biscuits. It's as easy as falling off a log. The PVA glue makes the biscuits swell up slightly, really locking the joint tightly and strongly. Pieces bevel cut at 45 degrees are normally quite tricky to join. Not with the Triton Biscuit joiner. Again, no measuring or marking, and your slots will always line up. They have to. Every joint comes out accurate and strong, and the biscuits are never seen again. If you're joining long pieces, say for a bench top, remove the guide and work to pencil marks. It's so quick and so much easier than doweling. You can use any brand of PVA glue, but Triton brand premium woodworking adhesive has been specially formulated with biscuit joining in mind.